Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Okay, so first of all, I'd have to know if your dad is inadmissible in any way, because that obviously makes it more difficult, meaning, does he have prior deportation orders? Does he have crimes? Did he unlawfully stay in the U.S.? Did he try to re-enter illegally? Did he try to re-enter more than once illegally? Things like that, because it's still possible, but the more grounds of inadmissibility he has, the more difficult it will be to come in. Now, I'm assuming because you asked this, he does not have a visitor visa and or has been denied a visitor visa, and so you need to look for the next step. So if in fact he has never been denied a visitor visa, he can certainly apply for that. He can apply for that and put all the documentation, the medical documentation of what's going on with your brother and so forth. The worse off medically your brother is, the better chance your dad has to see him. So I don't know why your brother's in the ICU, if it's if he's going to be totally fine 2 months from now, or if he has something terminal, where your dad has to see him, before he passes away type thing. Now, there's another form of relief as well, if none of that works, and that's called a humanitarian parole. And really, the humanitarian parole is exactly what it says it is. For humanitarian reasons, immigration will parole or permit a person to come into the United States. Now, obviously, if you're a U.S. citizen or your brother's a U.S. citizen and you're over 21 years old, you can easily petition your dad to be a resident, which that also doesn't help with him temporarily coming here. However, as I stated earlier, if the condition of your brother is really bad and your father has to go see him, then a humanitarian parole might work in this case. Now, obviously, depending on his other grounds of inadmissibility and so forth, he'll need to provide sufficient proof that he will leave after visiting your brother, but the humanitarian parole can be expedited depending on the condition of your brother. Okay?